Click peripheral link on the page line. Here we will see our background visual. This can be zoom in and out. To add a button, click on red plus sign at the right bottom of the page. Here we can see available button types. Click on menu button. Every button definition has a guided wizard. Step by step we will create our button. Enter the name for display purposes. Select the color of the button. Then we can select an icon from our library or we can upload our own visual. Because this is a menu button, when it is clicked, a menu will be opened. Inside this menu I am going to add some command buttons to define thermostat modes. At the next step, I would like to add range selection for setting desired temperature. Now let's do this and go to Client app and see how our button is working.